customizes your two monitors setup with the best flexible dual monitor arms. We only use premium aluminum and quality mechanical spring systems. The solid monitor desk mount integrates the original monitor stand and saves valuable workspace. It fits up to two 32-inch displays. The superb spring system raises your monitors to ergonomically viewing height with effortless adjustment. With full motion articulating arms, you can easily extend monitors to any position. Even in the narrow space, the stackable lower arms provide maximum flexibility to achieve your ultimate setup goal. The low-profile mounting base has the highest compatibility with standing desk converters. VESA plate adjustments allow the monitor to fit your sitting position accordingly, such as tilt, arm swivel, and screen rotation. Both top-mounting C-clamp and grommet bases included. It only takes less than 5 minutes to create a productive environment. Click the link in the description to achieve your setup goal.